welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Friday, January 10th, 2025.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. What's your favorite TV show?
Ooh, SpongeBob, I'm ready.
Me too. We should go watch it later.
Oh yeah.
Now here are your daily announcements.
This is what I've been looking for all along. Miss Jimenez? Hey, Miss Jimenez.
Hey, Mr. Barry.
What's wrong? You look like you're upset.
Just sad.
Do you think maybe you could use a hug?
Yeah. That was like the most amazing hug I've ever had.
Well, it's not just a regular hug, it's a Python squeeze.
I love the Python squeeze.
So if you're ever feeling down, just ask for a Python squeeze. Or better yet, ask a friend if they need a Python squeeze. Why? Because the Python squeeze is the best hug ever! Python squeeze!
Python squeeze!
Python squeeze! Only at Somerset Prep Homestead.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!